With a rock, finna do it slow. Wait, swag out on the floor, nay, real quick, hit that elbow and hit that Super Mario.
Right, so hi guys, it's Max. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. Today is just like a little short video telling you what's actually going on, because as some of you may have realised, I've actually got a game capture finally. Well, I was actually meant to get it, in a couple of months' time, but actually, a massive shout out to my friend Tom, who used to do YouTube and doesn't do it anymore, and he actually sold his game capture to me for very cheap. So yeah, massive shout out to him. Please go leave him a sub. He doesn't actually post anymore, but he might start posting. The game capture that I've got is a Hauppauge, something like that. Game capture PVR 2, Gaming Edition 2, something like that. It's Hauppauge, go search it. It's a really good game capture, and it's so cool because there's like a little strip around the outside that when you actually record it glows in the dark, so that's like really good, and it looks absolutely amazing when you record your videos. So the gameplays that I've made so far have not been the best of quality because my laptop is really slow. Like the first one I posted was a good gameplay, but it was all laggy and everything, so I'm really sorry for that. And like the no scopes and that, I don't know, it's just like my laptop is not too good. Hopefully I'll be upgrading it soon, and then my videos will be the best quality that they can possibly be. So yeah, so heads up for more videos. Also, as you may have probably seen on most of my gameplays, it says commentary coming soon because, as I said, my laptop, I've got like the perfect editing software to make commentary in that, but my laptop is just too slow. Literally, when I open all these things up, it is so buggy, it lags all the time, and it ends up with me having to reset the whole laptop. But yeah, as I said, better computer, better quality videos, but there will be more videos coming soon, and commentary will also be coming soon. So yeah, apart from the gameplays, there will also be other videos. Like I've said for the past couple of videos, that starting out on YouTube, the video on starting out on YouTube will be coming out soon. So yeah, that will be coming out this weekend, I think. Hopefully everything will be alright for that, and that is obviously a video that I really wanted to see, and that includes all the information on how to start on YouTube, what softwares to use and all that. So yeah, so heads up to that, because that will be like the second set of videos that will be coming out. And the last set of videos, well, it'll be put in one video, but it will be like a set of videos. It's actually a vlog. Now this isn't going to be any ordinary vlog like, hey guys, I've just woke up, it's 10:30 AM. It isn't going to be crap like that, because I don't see the point in that. The vlog that I'm going to be doing is actually a vlog of going to Paris. I'm going to Paris in like 3 or 4 weeks, and I'm actually going to the Euros, football Euros. I am off to see Poland versus Germany. I am so excited for that. And I mean, I am going just for the match. I'm going for like 4 days, I think. So I'll be vlogging the match, I'll be vlogging going to the match. There'll be things like taking photos with other countries, and I'm just so excited for that to happen. So yeah, I'll be vlogging the Eiffel Tower and everything. My dad hasn't got the tickets yet, but he will be buying them. So yeah. So I'm so excited for that, and hopefully you guys are too, because I mean, Poland versus Germany at the Euros, I'm just so excited. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new. I'm so excited for all these videos to be coming out, because I mean, going to the Euros, more gameplay, starting out on YouTube, there's just like so much videos that are going to be coming out. So yeah, so heads up for all that, as I've said. Massive shout out to my mate Tom. His link will be down in the description. Go give him a like on his videos. Go give him a sub, because without him, I wouldn't be able to post the gameplay that I'm going to be posting. So yeah, thanks for watching, and soon.